Oh, it's on.
Yes, it is.
Yo, what's going on? Your weekend gardener here with Evie.
Hi, guys.
My homeboy down here begging for the next thing we're about to try. All right, this is a little different. Normally we do fruit. Maybe this is a fruit, maybe it's not, but it's show the folks.
Interesting.
It's a tomatillo.
Tomatillo.
Yeah, that. Now, I don't know if this is like a tomato. That's the closest thing I can think of is like a tomato. So it may be a type of fruit, but the outside is like paper.
Yes, I never saw this kind of fruit.
Go ahead and pop the thing off.
Let me take off.
I think little dude loves tomatoes, right? Maybe that's why he's acting all animated.
This is so interesting.
Looks like a Granny Smith. No, it looks like a crab apple. We used to throw them at people when we was little.
Really, baby?
Yeah, he used to always go for the head. Crab apple fights. Oh, it's like snowball fights, but with crab apples. And you can see this psst on somebody's head. Oh, damn, man, that was back in the 70s. We had fun. That's when you could throw stuff at people. Now you get arrested. Can't do that, it's illegal. Okay.
So, let's see inside. Something is glue.
Sticky?
Yeah, sticky.
Okay.
Okay, let's see.
I can already tell I'm not gonna like this because I don't like tomatoes.
Oh, yes, it's true.
And I heard this is sweet. Oh, got
Look.
little TD seeds. Oh, I'm taking a big risk eating this. What does it smell like? Any scent?
Don't smell like tomato.
You don't? Okay, that's good.
No. A little citrus.
Everything smells like citrus.
Or sweet, or citrus or sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I need more words to describe English.
I told you just to say it in Portuguese. Is it? Yeah, that. So,
Yeah, it smells like a fruit.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I
Yeah,
like
let me
that.
try.
I like the little seeds. Maybe I can scavenge some of these. Well, some people make salsa out of this.
Really?
Salsa. They use this, garlic, onions, a little bit of lime,
Okay.
cilantro. Make some salsa. Maybe we can make some salsa. Homemade salsa.
Ooh.
All right, go ahead, try it. God, is he singing?
Interesting.
Interesting good or interesting bad?
Interesting. Interesting good.
Okay.
I like it. I don't know what
Wow.
it's a little how's the name, babe?
Sour?
Sour. Yeah. It's a little sour, but tastes good. It's fresh. The taste is fresh.
Okay.
Water inside, soft.
Well, I got these from a fellow grower in the neighborhood, and I know she doesn't use any kind of chemicals on her vegetables.
Very good. I definitely like this.
Like this, okay.
So your turn.
So what do you-
Romeo on that piece.
Oh, he greedy.
He's singing. Yeah, he ate.
Dog eat anything. Man, we need to get him some groundhog.
No.
Yeah. Okay. What do you give it? 1 to 10.
9. No, 8. 8. 8. Yes.
No.
Yeah, it's hard to describe the smell, right?
It smells like outside. That's what it smells like. I don't like that.
You don't like the
Oh,
smell?
I'm kind of, I'm real nervous.
Yay!
All right.
Woo!
No.
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 No, babe.
Maybe it was just that piece. No. No.
I don't. Yeah, it's interesting. I think you should try it, guys.
It tastes like
It's crunchy.
No, you know how a wet dog smells? That's what it tastes like. It tastes like
No for me.
it tastes like wet dog. I can't.
From your life.
I give it a 0.
0. So this is the worst.
It's just
Do you want to drink something?
I can taste that. I can. It's real faint though. It's like to me it's more sour than tangy.
Okay.
has
Yes, sour is a sour, but it's a little tangy. I can feel it.
I can taste the moist or liquid or in it. It's real moist. I will give it that. You don't taste the seeds. The seeds are in the way.
Yeah. It's a little tiny seeds. You don't taste.
I think this just has to be. In salsa, yes, I would eat it in salsa because it has everything else covering up the taste. Texture-wise, I like the texture.
Interesting.
No.
Comment below if you already see tomatillos.
And you know what? I forgot to say, if you made it this far, like, share, subscribe, make a comment.
Yeah.
Do you like tomatillos? Have you ever had them before? Do you grow them?
Yeah. Tell us.
I am going to try to grow this though because I do like salsa.
Oh, okay.
I do like salsa, but other than that, just eating them out of the garden, nah, that's a no for me. That messed my day up. All right, your weekend gardening even. We're out.
Bye, guys.
I'm out. Bye.
Drink a juice, babe.